it was more fun than I expected.
It was a lot more fun than I expected. A lot more interaction.
Because what I was thinking I was coming to today is more of just a sit down, listen for 5 hours. So what I wasn't expecting was the interactive, standing up and doing different, exercises that illustrate the point. So I thought that was very effective.
Been very interesting and very focused on what it was doing.
Even though I'm very interested in outreach and doing it, it made me look at it in a different way.
What it would be like for an outsider coming into my church so that I can better understand maybe how I can connect with them and help them feel welcomed.
Not only as a member of Abiding Word, but as a mother and a grandmother, and having people in my family who are lost and are not looking to God, it helped me in that way too. What I can do to reach out to them. I just really inspired.
I had to get off work for this, and I would do it again.
Just give it a shot. We all have our own skills and talents, and God knows what we can do, and we gotta just pray to God and have Him help us be able to share the word with others.
We're all a piece of the puzzle.